The Edifier D12 speaker. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. This is the Edifier D12 bookshelf speaker. I will go over specs, features, provide audio samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with the user guide, audio cables, and a remote. The speaker features Bluetooth 5.0, two 19mm tweeters, two 4-inch mid-bass drivers, a line-out output. It weighs 4.6 kilograms, total of 70 watts. Audio inputs include auxiliary, line-in, and Bluetooth. It has a dimension of 359mm by 159mm by 203mm. It also comes in 3 finishes: brown, white, and black. The speaker has some weight to it, and it definitely feels solid with its wooden enclosure. You can see the smooth black finish on the top and the brown on the side. And here you can see the white version. It has the white knobs and the white finish all around. On the top, you'll find 3 knobs which you will be able to control the bass, treble, volume, and input settings. On the back, you have the power, line out, aux in, and line in. You can also remove the speaker grill if you prefer. Once you remove it, you can see the tweeters, drivers, along with the remote sensor and LED on the upper right. And now for some audio samples.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that hard bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby, I can sit.
The D12 speakers perform well, and the sounds don't disappoint. The bass packs a punch and not lacking at all. Mids and highs are clean and clear as well. And you have the option to adjust the bass and treble with the knobs on top to tailor your listening experience. It feels solid all around and well built, and you also have the flexibility of using the various wired input and outputs. It's also reasonably priced. So that is my review of the Edifier D12 bookshelf speakers. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.